Bonjour et bienvenue. In this class, we learn les adjectifs démonstratifs, demonstrative adjectives. Adjectives that demonstrate a noun is called demonstrative adjectives. It's quite a small topic, very easy one. In these video classes, we learn French through English language. So let's see what the demonstrative adjectives are in English. This, that, these, those. 4 demonstrative adjectives in English. We say this boy, this girl, or that boy, that girl, these boys, these girls, those boys, those girls. Singular nouns, we use this or that. Plural nouns, we use these or those. In demonstrative adjective in English, the gender of the noun doesn't play any role. Only number plays a role. When the noun is singular, irrespective of the gender, masculine or feminine, we use this or that. When the noun is plural, irrespective of the gender, girls, boys, we use these, those. This is the concept of demonstrative adjectives in English. In French, gender also plays a role in the formation of demonstrative adjectives. So, the concept of demonstrative adjectives in French language may differ from the one in English language. We'll go in detail. Demonstrative adjectives, les adjectifs démonstratifs. In French, the first one we learn is ce garçon. This "ce" takes the meaning of this and that. This "ce" will be used in front of a masculine singular noun beginning with a consonant. Garçon, boy, a masculine singular noun, and we use "ce" as the demonstrative adjective. Ce garçon, this boy or that boy. When the masculine singular noun beginning with a vowel or H mute or H silent, the CE becomes CET. The noun oiseau, bird, oiseau, masculine singular noun but beginning with a vowel, vo. As we write ce in front of garçon, if I write ce in front of oiseau, the pronunciation will be ce oiseau. There is a hiatus created, a pause, a break created in the flow of the language. French does not allow this hiatus. So with CE, we add T, a small change in the spelling of the adjective. So instead of ce oiseau, we should write cet oiseau. Ce oiseau, no, it's wrong. Cet oiseau. For the sake of euphony, an enchainment that enables the free flow of the language, we have 2 words to be used as demonstrative adjectives in front of masculine singular nouns. Ce garçon, cet oiseau. Ce garçon, cet oiseau. The first one to be used in front of masculine singular nouns beginning with a consonant. The second one to be used in front of nouns that begin with a vowel or H silent. Ce garçon, this boy or that boy. Sattuvaso, this bird or that bird. In front of all feminine singular nouns, whether the feminine singular noun starts with a vowel or H mute or consonant, use sat as the demonstrative adjective. Satfiye, set a call. Satfiye, set a call. What's the meaning of Satfiye? This girl or that girl. What's the meaning of set a call? This school or that school. Demonstrative adjective set, C-E-T-T-E, is used for all singular feminine nouns. When the noun becomes plural, whether it's masculine or feminine or beginning with a vowel or H mute or consonant, if the noun is plural, then we use ces, say, as the demonstrative adjective. C'est garçon, c'est oiseaux, c'est fille, c'est école. C'est garçon, these boys, those boys. C'est oiseaux, these birds, those birds. C'est fille, these girls, those girls. C'est école, these schools, those schools. For demonstrative adjectives in French: ce garçon, cette oiseau, cette fille, cette école, ces garçons, ces oiseaux, ces filles, ces écoles. Two demonstrative adjectives: CECET for masculine singular nouns, CETTE for all feminine singular nouns, and CES for all plural nouns. Ce garçon, this boy, that boy. Cet arbre, this tree, that tree. Cette fille, this girl, that girl. Ces garçons, these boys, those boys. Ces filles, these girls, those girls. We may have a doubt now how to differentiate between this and that. When there are two boys, how do I say this boy is tall, that boy is short? How to say these girls are thin, those girls are fat? Am I to use ce garçon for a noun which is near and far? How do I make others understand my first usage of ce is this and the second ce is that? How to convey specifically this and that, a noun which is near and one more same noun which is far. Look at sentences number 1 and 2. In sentence number 1, I would like to say ce garçon est gros. I mean, this boy is fat. And in the second sentence, I say ce garçon est mince. I mean, that boy is thin. First sentence, this boy is fat. Second sentence, that boy is thin. I use demonstrative adjective ce. In both the sentences, in the first sentence, I use ce to mean this. And in the second sentence, I use the same ce to mean that. In the first sentence, this boy. Second sentence, that boy. How do I make others understand what I meant to say? I can always add one adverb of place or complement of place after the noun to make the difference between two nouns near and far. Look at sentence number 1. Ce garçon si est gros. See, see means here. Look at the second sentence. Ce garçon là est mince. Là. L-A grave accent. Là means there. Now naturally, ce garçon-ci becomes this boy. Ce garçon-là becomes that boy. Read the sentences 3 and 4. Cet arbre ci est grand. Cet arbre-là est petit. This tree is big. That tree is small. Sentences 5 and 6. Cette fille si est dans la salle de classe. 6. Cette fille-là est dans la cuisine. This girl is in the room of class. That girl is in the kitchen. Sentences 7 and 8. Ces jardins-ci or ces écoles-ci sont à Paris. Ces jardins-là or ces écoles-là sont à Londres. These gardens or these schools are at Paris. Those gardens or those schools are at London. Therefore, please understand that you can always add si and la in order to specify this and that, as well as these and those. With this, we come to an end of learning demonstrative adjectives in French. Write down all what is taught in this video. Whenever you have some doubts, go through this lesson again or write in the comment box. Your queries will be answered. You have a set of 10 questions to be answered. Fill up the blanks with suitable demonstrative adjectives. So, CET, set or say. Do read. An interesting fact about France given at the end of this lesson. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so earlier for the notifications of latest lessons. Fine. I wind off. Bye bye.